Yeah, yeah, yeah. J. Yo, Brembo. Good looking for this beat, my nigga. Ohio to Jersey. They really fuck with the kid now. Cause I remember days when nobody was. Shit. OG. Rolling the squeeze, sipping this Hennessy with my niggas. Making a couple plays, thinking about getting richer. DA on my dick, and they won't let off. I'm tired of these games, and nigga fed up. So all I know is grind. Hopefully I rise before I fall. Been hustling since fall, trying to get my money long, nigga. But I gotta stay 10 toes down, and she stay 2 knees down. I make her bow before she drown. Got marijuana, send a cologne. Sometimes I wanna be alone. Blow one and think of thoughts when I'm stoned. Call up my plug, like nigga, what's the price on the boat? Cause I need that boat, want the Benz, I need that price for the low, nigga. These niggas plotting, hoes scheming, niggas still dreaming, moving packs and crack, cause these fiends still fiending, nigga. My youngins starting to grow up, so I keep that bang on tuck, cause I can't bang on luck, nigga. They keep praying for my downfall, but I'm still screaming fuck y'all. That's why I say duck, dog. And I'm getting to this money. Yeah. They keep praying for my downfall, but I'm still screaming fuck y'all. Fuck you, fuck every nigga you came with, fuck every clique you bang with, and fuck every bitch. Cause really, man, these hoes ain't shit. Little rat ass bitches, set your ass up quick. Better check these hoes. Shit real, I can't trust a soul, especially when these niggas see you fondling with gold. A nigga heart start to freeze up. Shout out to my folk, niggas G's up. I got a lot of shit to say, but I ain't got the time to let it out. Like I got all of these bitches, but they all don't get them out. Shit, that's how this shit go. If you niggas get my drift, ever since my nigga died, I've been sipping on the 5th. Big bros told me step it up, I'm sipping on that pint, and you better live it up, cause your ass can't live it twice. So I take chances, trying to better out my situation, and I just pray I see my young in graduation, nigga. They keep praying for my downfall, but I'm still screaming fuck y'all. That's why I say duck, dog. And I'm getting to this money. They keep praying for my downfall, but I'm still screaming fuck y'all.